Hello, my name is Nicholas. Welcome to this new service video. Okay, let's see how to do that.
Before use, open the rear panel and connect the battery pack, or insert AAA batteries, depending on the model. To start the game, press the Start button, only if the coin or token is inserted. To pause the game, short press the Stop button. To restart the game, press Start again. To end the game, press and hold the Stop button until you hear a beep. To send virtual coins to the cars, press and hold the button number 1 for a few seconds. This will send 1 credit to all the machines. Press Start to activate the game. With button number 2, you will send 2 credits to all the machines. Button number 3 will set all the cars to start directly after a coin insertion. Button number 4 will set all the cars to start with the remote control after a coin is inserted.